We've covered 5 zones. Let's move on to the last one, the bird zone. Now we're in the bird zone. Here we'll see all kinds of colorful and interesting birds from around the world. Wow, flamingos are so pink and elegant. Did you know? Flamingos get their bright pink color from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. Wow, look at that beautiful tail. Did you know? Male peacocks show their colorful feathers to attract mates, and each feather has tiny eye-like patterns. Wow, swans are so graceful. Some swans can have a wingspan up to 10 feet, making them very graceful in flight. This is an eagle. Did you know? Eagles have super sharp vision and strong talons to catch their prey. Let's see who's next. Ooh, the owl enclosure. These are owls. They are mysterious and wise, and they can rotate their heads almost all the way around and have super sharp night vision. We have covered the bird zone. There's the Savannah, jungle, Arctic, ocean, and desert zones waiting for you. Go check them out and meet all the amazing animals. Wow, we covered all 6 zones. That was an amazing zoo adventure. We saw so many animals. Which animal was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.